Wow, it fits right on
You,
it.
you
It's
just wait.
perfect.
Just wait. Okay, so when you have like buckling, see this little buckle here? Okay, that's what these are for. So you can go in, pull that more.
So was it something that I did that made it buckle?
No, it's the shape of the head.
Okay.
So, but this is good because then you get to see what you can do to fix the buckle. So we have that, and then we have some beautiful scissors handy.
Snippers. Okay.
Snippers. Okay. Yes, snippers, not scissors. Where was I? Okay. And then I just want to remove the little pokey thingies. Okay. Okay, and then
Sew it together.
boom, boom. So anytime you have a buckle, just remember, and if it's one that's gonna get in the way, because if it's like in the back or anything, that you can, by the time you have all the hair in, it's not gonna. So decipher amongst your mind, is this buckle going to get in the way? So we just got rid of that buckle. See that?
Okay.
So
So technically, right here, you just move these two little pieces.
Yeah.
That was right there. Okay.
I just got rid of the pieces. The Wee Buddy is not gonna fall apart. I'm gonna go ahead and save this because the next thing we want to do, I'll call it traveling with my needle. So I'm gonna come forward here. All right, coming forward here. Go ahead and close up, please. And then I am going to leave this needle here because I'm going to teach you about customizing even more. So let's go ahead and work on that side right now, but this is going to stay here. Yep.
Okay. Right.
Yep. She's moving all over.
Oh, sorry
about that. So let's do
So,
this.
To me, this not as bad as that buckle was. So I
Okay.
don't really
So you
need
don't
to.
need to
But
mess
if
with
it
that.
was, it would be these two moves.
Right. Just
Okay.
remove.
And so now,
So now we're just gonna go ahead and close
Get the end
this
closed.
slit. And another thing too, before we're done, before you go to the next phase, like see this area right here, that could be attached to the Wee Buddy. And on this area over here too, this could be attached to the Wee Buddy. Because what you don't want is only a little attachment and only have it grab onto that. You want it to grab onto as
to
much
as many
strength,
places that
strong.
I can get it to
Yeah, the
attach.
strong braids. Anything behind the ear is strong braids.
Okay.
Anything up front, you don't touch it.
Gotcha.
But anything behind the ear where there's the strong
Okay,
foundation
so
is,
basically, if I can hit anywhere
if you
in
can
here, I
hit
need
it
to
here,
hit that area.
hit it, girl.
Okay.
Yes, but that's after this phase right here.
Okay.
You've got it all. Oh, God, nice.
Yeah, they feel great.
I love it.
That's because you're helping me right now.
So what? You're gonna do that good too?
All right, so I want to close my slit, the first two corners,
Yes.
basically. All right.
And then we're gonna do some more customizing.
I gotta make sure it's always knotted here. Oh, you know what? I didn't knot it.
And pull up your paddle. Pull up your paddle.
Oh, to protect it. Right. That makes sense. Knot it, right?
Yes, please. Did you go through the two little holes? Okay. Not really. The two corner holes. The two
Oh, I
corner
skipped
little
straight down
holes.
to
Yeah.
the, got you right
See,
here.
those have to be
Right here,
done
this
so
right
that it makes it flatter.
Right there, right?
Yes, ma'am. Because if you don't do the corner ones, they will overlap. do that little pull on the thing, pull open trick. There we go. Okay.
And then do the next one.
So don't get ahead of me, girlfriend.
I thought you did that one, Kat.
No, that's all we did.
Oh, okay.
I am going to show you how to customize a little bit more. Okay?
Okay.
So we're going to take that,
Look, I just want to keep touching it.
right?
It's so flat.
Yes. So if it's still a little loose on the customer,
Mm-hmm.
you're going to make sure you pull up your paddle. You're going to never cut into the large squares.
Okay.
Is that showing? Is it on?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It is.
All right, sometimes I forget to turn it on. Okay,
It could probably go a little closer, but it's good.
no, it's
It's
good.
fine.
It's good. Okay, so never cut in where the large ones are. Always cut into the chain. Okay, I call these little chains.
Mm-hmm.
Only can cut into that. So to make this a little tighter, we're going to go in 1, 2, 3, 4. Never cut into the second chain going crisscross.
Got
Okay?
you.
So just the first 4, and then it's remove the material.
Oh, so it doesn't break that square really.
Okay, so now what you're gonna do is travel up here with your needle.
And when you say travel, that means
Bring the
Keep it
needle. Bring
going.
the
and not worry about the knot to the end.
right.
Okay.
Sort of. So then, okay, so we're closing this. Boom. And then grab some of the lace too. There. And then I'm going to travel down here with the needle and keep it over here because if I need to make another slit,
Mm-hmm.
I'm ready. But I'm not sure yet because what you do to one side, you do to the other. So let's go to the other side and create our slit to make it tighter. See how it's already,
Mm-hmm.
okay, we'll go over there and do this.